robot which is made from a living cells. Robots come in all shapes and sizes. Some are humanoids, others resembles animals. Many are just a jumble of arms sliding away on the production line. But one thing all robots have in common is that they are mechanical, not biological devices. They are built from materials like metal and plastic and stuffed with electronic. A group of researchers in America have worked out how to use unmodified biological cells to create new sorts of organisms that might do a varieties of jobs and might even be good. As a report in the proceeding of the National Academy of Science, they and their colleagues having designed organic robots for their cellular components, and they set about reasoning through design by joining together specific type of stem cells. The other are cardiac progenitor cells, or more specialized type of stem cells already destined to generate hard muscle. If you want to read more about this robot from living cells, it's very interesting article. The link of this article in the description below.